Got a thirst for adventure? Ever considered solo travel? No? Well, let me introduce you to J.R. Harris. At 78 years young, he's been trekking the globe for over 5 decades. From the Rocky Mountains to the Australian outback, Harris's boots have touched ground in over 50 countries. His secret? Solo travel. Embarking on his first major journey to circle Alaska after college, Harris discovered a passion for exploration. He's hiked through the Andes, the Alps, the Pyrenees, and more. But it's not just about the landscapes. Harris has a fascination with indigenous cultures, often traveling to remote areas to learn about their history and way of life. But here's the kicker. He's been on at least one lengthy trek every year for over 50 years. How does he do it? Through his marketing research and consulting firm, Harris funds his adventures, proving that work-life balance and a life full of adventure aren't mutually exclusive. So, why should you try solo travel at least once? It's simple: to explore, to learn, to grow. Like Harris, you might find yourself on a lifelong adventure, discovering the world one step at a time. Solo travel. It's a journey, an adventure, a life lesson. Try it once, and who knows, you might just catch the travel bug too.